Now on to more tokenized news. This story has been circulating for a reason, because people are talking about tokenized assets. And here's the post. In 2024, Exodus became the first publicly traded company to tokenize its SEC regulated registered shares on the public blockchain. That's Algorand. These are real XOD shares, not wrappers, not synthetics, not shares in a foreign SPV, Exodus Class A common stock on chain. That's the key right there. That's why I brought up Ondo, Ethereum, and Algorand, like big time. Now, Algorand does have more news. They have their 2025 plus roadmap has been released. Algorand retail campaign is about to launch. Algo research is Algo is more energy efficient than Ethereum and Sol. That's what, again, I brought up Solana too. I think Ethereum, Solana, Algorand could all benefit. More liquidity from new market makers in a partnership. They partner with Easy A, and we'll dive in deeper to Easy A very soon. They're onboarding more users. The World Chess, I covered some of that. We'll talk about that more over time. Stablecoin transfer hitting all-time high. The Foundation Act announced they're moving to the United States, and then decentralized funding introduced through XGov. A lot of good stuff happening. And then again, Algorand, 13 weeks of bringing users on chain and showing them what you could do on a real blockchain. We're going to dive in, talk about the impact of that real soon. I think it should be pretty cool. And then if we want to talk about Algorand, I made a chart, technical analysis the other day. And if we look at this chart here, you got the daily chart pulled up. Here's purple is the 200-day moving average. Algorand needs to hold this line. This will be the line to hold. And if you can hold that line, as I talked about before in the last video, right here, we should be good to go. It can keep trading in this range and then eventually hit a target here, hit a new target here, then anything can happen after that. So far, the markets are all pretty much going down and dumping. However, since this era of time here with Trump inauguration, Algorand is sitting right below this volume shelf and in between this one. So this is the range, and we just needed to hold this area, and then we should be able to climb on top and we're good. If not, the next volume range is here, which is putting Algorand back in these levels, which is 16, 17, 18, 19 cent. We don't want that. We want this and above.
Passive income, gold in my dental. Thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.